$100 in? Can we double? Or will we nothing? Let's find out.
This Lightning Link Challenge today, round 2. We're doing the up and down method. So starting at 25 credits, then moving up to 50. Then after that, we go to 75. And she gets real hot and horny here. $12.50 because I'm fucking nuts. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. But then it's 25 after that. Maybe you're saving the bonus for this time? Yeah, no. You jerk. Oh my god. This is the up and down method by Instagram. Tried and true, hot and horny. Here we go. We're doing all 7 Lightning Link slot machines at the Grand Fizzles. It's just gonna be just a hot and horny good time. So get strapped in with your strap on with a $250 wedge. God damn it. Where's our Dublin? Gotta win on this one or we're done. We're not done, I don't think. Ooh, yes, kitty. $25, come on. Ooh, Nipper Skipper. Oh, yeah, no, I think that's decent. Ring, ding, ding, ding. Hot as fuck. All right, settle down, everybody. Settle down. Oh, rub it, kitty. Are you guys rubbing at home? Rub the shit out. I'm hyper. I'm so excited. Oh, come on. Oh, why don't you double for the kids? They came to Dublin. Let's try. Oh, what's that? On a minimum bet, that bastard. That better not be the. Oh, come on. What a jerk. What a fucking jerk. $12.50. Dick for days. Too much dick. Come on, $25 to spin. Oh, that's just $500. Yeah, and $375 and a mini. You're a fucking jerk. You are. Yes, you are. Da. Nope. I'm excited. That's very apparent. $5. Come on, that's too much money. Little Land Rover bastards. Fine, that's a win. Oh? Yeah, no. 750 kitty. Oh, come on. Do it! Yes, we got a bonus of 750. Oh, I'm excited. Kitty city population us. That's why you stick to the goddamn rules. You do. Yes, it does. Do it. She didn't do jack shit. Oh, you're pick. Oh, that's no. All right, punch him. I'm putting my fist to the screen, you guys. I'm gonna fist it. Let's bring to the bathhouse. Yeah, we got you. Don't rush your bonuses, guys. We got a challenge to do, and we ain't got. Oh no. Oh, for fuck's sake, this is not happening. No, it's happening. Is this happening? Is this real life? No. Oh no. Oh, I'm mad. Oh no. Oh, I'm so... Brenda's laughing, so fucking Brenda. All right, we got rules, kids. We were going up, right? I think so. $25 to spin. Come on, you save it for now? No. An asshole. I'm mad. That was mean, you guys. That's because I rushed the bonus, I bet. Yeah. You see, guy, he's always in a hurry. Busy kid. Yep. Now watch, we'll get a bonus in 250 and it'll be more than that bonus. That's exactly what will happen. It'll be very apropos. Oh, for fuck's sake. 750. Come on. 1250. Can I get a bonus if we're done? Oh, shit balls.
Subscribe to this new channel for additional SD Guide content by clicking here. Otherwise, are you new to SD Guide? Then click here to subscribe to my main channel. Thanks for watching.